Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, I'm gonna provide you 100 RCC numerical questions for the entrance exams such as GATE examinations. So this website civilnotes.com is a website for the civil engineers and the project management, okay, to provide a proper solutions and give you the best free sources to crack your examinations and the regular civil engineering practices. Correct. So before starting this video, I'm gonna provide you this YouTube channel. Just do me a favor, guys. Do subscribe, share with your friend because this channel takes lots of effort for you. Now, let's jump into the video. So this link of the RCC numerical question for GATE examination, I'll gonna provide you here. Okay, I'll create one section for the GATE examination questions, right? You just clicked on that and you will get redirected to this page, right? Right now, this link will be in your description box of the video. Just click on that and you will get redirected to this. Perfect. Now you can see I have created this page with the lots of questions, lots of numerical with categorization of the slab designing. Okay, very short questions like the GATE examination question and how you can solve on your fingertips with the formulas. That's what I have. That's my question. That my uh, aim to give you the good hands-on practices. Correct. So beam designing, you can see then column design, foundation design, structural analysis, mixed problem, and the advanced reinforced cement concrete numericals too. I have also considered here. Okay, so now you can see there's a lots of things over there, such as determine the required area for steel for one-way slab of span 4 meters subjected to a total load of 6 kilonewton per meter square. Assume Fy as a 4 and 5 megapascal and Fc as a 25 megapascal. How what you have to do, you need to calculate the required area of steel. So required area of steel is having this formula. Do just input for the 6 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, you will get this value. Okay, over here. So you just need to put over here. That's it. So you need to solve it and you will get the effective answer, right? So you can see most of the question I have solved. Few of them I have just provided the hint to solve you, right? So it's very simple and very easy, right? You can see I have provided a hint also, like if there is a maximum deflection, how you can calculate that one. Okay, to calculate iron delta. So there's a lots of things over there, guys, and sooner I'm gonna provide you a good exam practices free of cost. There is no any charges that you need to provide to me, but the concern is it will be really helpful to all of you, right? So I hope this video makes sense. Okay, don't forget to visit my website civilnote.com. Okay, if you want to get more numericals on mechanics of structures, come here, click on the numerical sections, you will get the proper solved numerical by me, okay, over here with the proper explanations, right? So I hope you like this video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.